As this pandemic engulfed the entire globe in itself, life became a little bit slow, isn't it? But humans and technology together have started to find a way out of it. Now we're getting back on track with life, and at this time, those two famous words come to my mind. Carpe diem. So my friends, let's get back on track where life wants to take us. So get up, wear a mask, get your job done, and seize the damn day. Hello and welcome back, folks, to another episode of the show that leaves an impact every week on your hearts. The Oppo F17 Pro presents the Love, Laugh, Live show only on the Times Network. For the first time on this show, we have today not one, not two, but three guests at once. One amongst whom taught the entire nation about partying on Saturday, while the other two followed her footsteps and filled the music industry with extra funk and zing with songs like Mafia, Sudharja and Kendi Haan Kendi Na. Their voices have been heard by the entire nation on loop and loved. Please welcome the flag bearers of the next gen music and the super sisters of the Indian music industry, Akriti, Sukriti and Prakriti Kakkar.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. What a lovely intro that was.
And I have to say, you know what? I am feeling so privileged and so blessed that I am the first person to interview all three of you together.
That's right.
We've done some radio interviews together, but this is the first time you're sitting on screen
Together
for an interview.
In biological order.
In biological order. How fantastic. And thank you for doing that for us.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you.
In fact, it's our honor to have done this with you. So it's like our trio debut on screen, and it couldn't have been better.
Oh,
I think we loved hearing that intro in your voice. So I think now we're good.
Thank you. So, as tradition goes on the show, we always ask our guests to begin with because we've just come off the back of something very, very different. We've lived through the lockdown.
Yes. Yeah.
So, let's share some lockdown stories. How have they been for you? Should we start with you?
Actually, the lockdown has been, it's been quite intense, I think, in most our lives. It's also been a great time for us as musicians because, our life and our office, so to say, is the airport. That's what we do for a living. Like, I have works from the corporate scene and, their work started. We were the first industry to stop, last to start.
Yes.
So I think it's a lot that's changed, and I think we've learned so much. We have like a home studio now, working from home, shooting with masks, doing hair and makeup and wearing a mask again. So I think it's very different and still getting used to it, but lockdown has been fun.
I think, when the lockdown just started, we were just... we didn't know what to do about it. I think we were like, okay, maybe it's like a summer holiday. We're just going to chill, watch Netflix, eat good food. I think, we've mastered like a lot of things in our kitchen just to do. I think my dog was the happiest because we never spent so much time with him.
Yeah. Popcorn.
Yeah, so I think so much family time, but we reached a point where like, okay, up, now what to do? We've done it all, now like what to do?
I put out a lot of covers because across my social media they keep asking for आपकी आवाज़ में ये सुनना है, ये गा दो. So I thought I started a series called Jam from Home during this lockdown, and it featured different musicians who I really, really believe in, and I love their interpretation of songs. So we used to pick one popularly requested song, and I used to record my vocals, send it to them. They used to just produce it on their own. They would send it back. Thank God for the internet.
Tell us about Hum Tum, and you shot it in
Lockdown,
one
yes,
day.
in a day, yeah.
So how did they tell us about the process? How did it happen? And of course, you have to sing us a couple of lines.
Sure thing.
Sure. So, we had this tune ready for about 2 years almost, and not a lot of people know that. Of course, we wrote it in lockdown, and I think the song essentially talks about wanting to get away with somebody special and not being here, because I think it stemmed from the fact that we were just so bored of, going to our balcony and going out a little bit and seeing the same view every day, seeing the same sunset, though it was really pretty in lockdown.
Yes.
But we were just like, okay, we need to get away with somebody who is special. And I think that's where the lyrics, you know, Ho
I think
Jaye Kahin Gum come
Hum
from.
Tum, like we wrote it I think 3-4 times. It was always in Punjabi. Then we made it less Punjabi. Then I came to her for feedback. Then we were like, okay, scrap everything. We're going to just try it up again. So we had the tune and, you know, our label Universal Music really liked it. And they were like, okay, we want to do, because it's essentially like a hip hop beat with Latin stuff on it. And then suddenly I called up our lyricist Melody and he said, let's call it Hum Tum. And I was like, yeah, I like it, you know, it's sweet.
Yeah.
And then we just went ahead with it, and the next thing we knew is that the lockdown was getting a little better.
Yes.
And we started planning the shoot, and it was surreal actually to be on a set with 100 people.
Suddenly.
In the middle, I mean,
Almost
towards
100
the
people.
end.
Also, I think it was very difficult to cast anyone because people were very wary of, you know,
around so many people
meeting
on
people.
shoot.
Not a lot of people were like, you know, we're ready to shoot yet. And I think a lot of people live with their families. So everybody was very wary, but we were very, you know, excited to have Raghav Joyal on the video and Priyank. I think they're both such fab dancers, and you know, it just worked for the song. And yeah, so much love coming in, you know, for the song even now. So
Let's hear it.
yeah.
Come on.
All
Yeah,
right,
sure.
awesome.
यादों में तू है, हाँ बस तू ही, कैसा ये जादू किया, हूँ मैं अधूरी, तू ही जरूरी, बिन तेरे लगे ना जिया, नशा सा तेरी आँखों में, बातों में, तू जीने की वजह, बसाना इन सुनी सुनी रातों में, आ जाना यूं ना तड़पा, तुम हम और हम तुम हो जाए कहीं गुम, माहिया मैं तेरे बिना गुमसुम, न जाने तूने ऐसा क्या किया, तुम हम और हम तुम हो जाए कहीं गुम, माहिया मैं तेरे बिना गुमसुम, न जाने तूने ऐसा क्या किया.
In sync since birth.
It's so difficult to sing this without the beat.
OMG,
Just
that's fantastic.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
See, the thank you wasn't
Thank you. It sounds like one person is saying it.
I don't know, it's something I look at her and she's like, oh, we're doing this next. And I just understand. You
Aankhon
know, it's
aankhon mein
weird.
ishare, imagine.
That's really nice. But for you, you started judging a reality show.
Yeah.
How was that for you?
It's very overwhelming, so to say. I was judging the same reality show 7 years back.
Yes.
But you know, the show has a certain sanctity.
Of course.
And just going back and being surrounded by people who are coming back with the same spirit, oh, we want to get back to work.
How lovely.
And hearing, you know, young talent sing, it is so inspiring. I have to tell you, Mandira, I feel like, you know, sometimes we get so comfortable in our lives that we probably take our talent for granted.
Yes.
And we feel like, हाँ, ये तो मैं कर ही लूँगी ना, ये तो मुझे आता है. And we don't
And to
end
see
up.
hunger in people and
It's
energy
so
that
inspiring.
young you.
I'm getting goose flesh even under this dress that I'm wearing. I swear to God, when they sing, it gives me some sort of like, I feel like, okay, can we stop this right now? I want to go back to Riyaz. It's very inspiring. It's very, very inspiring. So I think I'm gaining so much just being there on
Gosh,
that.
I'm gaining so much sitting with the three of you. We're up for a great ride today, and I know you guys know it as well, so don't go anywhere, as we'll be back with the Kakkar sisters, and I'm going to ask them about their experiences with love. Only on OPPO F17 Pro presents the Love Laugh Live Show. We'll be right back.
She'll send me like a profile like, check this one out.
That is very
Check this one out
candid.
for me or check this one out for you?
No, if I'm sending her, it's for her only.
Yeah, it's
Check this one out for me stays with me.
Yes.
Welcome back to your all-time favorite show. OPPO F17 Pro presents the Love Laugh Live Show only on the Times Network. We're here with Akriti, Sukriti and Prakriti Kakkar, ready to answer some questions about their love life.
The way you said it.
Sukriti, you've gone on record saying that you're more answerable to Prakriti than any of your boyfriends. Now, elaborate.
Wow, oh my god. Have you? You know, like I think the thing with twins is that you can just talk rubbish and just not even process it, you know? Like I can, like literally sometimes when I'm going through something or feeling something, or like we just met someone and you know, I really like that person or I don't have to explain it to her, she'll just get it. So I can just get away with a lot of things. With her, I have to have a deeper level of understanding. If I understand it, then I'll make her understand.
Yeah, because you know they're younger to me, so that protective instinct just never goes.
Like you said, I mean, the age differences is so whatever they say amongst each other can be
Chalta
anything.
hai.
But if I want really meaningful advice, I go to her only because you know.
So I tell her, listen, I can't be a problem solver all the time. I want the juice also.
Yeah. You feel left out a little bit sometimes?
A lot.
Oh no.
A lot.
Come on, she said it over here in front of a lot of people. It takes a lot to say that. You need to include her a
They
little bit
know
more and
it.
stuff.
They know it. I know it'll eventually come to me if it has some relevance in their life for good.
No, everything comes to you.
Yeah.
It does. It
The
does.
things that really matter.
Yeah. But see, I guess, I mean, I really miss having a twin when I look at them because they travel together, they live together, they literally are inseparable.
They're like best friends.
Yeah, then who needs a best friend, wala? So, but I don't mind being the third wheel in this whole love relationship.
But yes, you're right. I do have to be answerable to her most of the time.
And does she tell you like, ये ठीक नहीं है, ये ठीक
All the
है?
time.
Yeah.
So if
I'm entitled to
Yeah,
some
of course.
extent, but I think he just needs to like me.
Anybody in my life has to be approved, and you know, if they get along, then I can go ahead with it.
Now, speaking of approval, you didn't like the badminton guy. There was some badminton guy.
Oh my god.
Like, you didn't like or approve.
I don't know who is this badminton guy? What is going on?
It's very short-lived, so I mean, I have no idea when I said
Believe
this.
we're talking about, I mean, this is the irrelevant stuff, but now that we're talking
But it's
about
out there now.
Okay, so this was at the time.
Oh my god.
We shared a phone. Yeah, we shared a phone.
Yeah,
once.
this is
Oh, it was that long ago?
Yeah, so then I mean, it's fine,
We were
right?
babies, and I just didn't like the guy because he used to just troll me, like for some reason or the other, and he used to be extra nice to her. And we're not used to that kind of disparity, you know? We're like people are
Yes.
usually the same. to
Lovely,
us.
It's a no-no red flag from the get-go.
Yeah.
So I'm just like, he has issues with me, so I can have issues with him. I don't know what he has against me. And she ended up dating him and telling me 2 days later. And I mean, that's never happened.
That's
We
criminal,
usually
so
talk
cool.
Yeah,
about
she
it.
found out, and I
still
was
hold
like,
that
okay, I'm
against
never gonna do this. I'm anyway very new at this.
It kind of slipped. You never told
Yeah, like I said,
You
we
got
shared
caught.
a phone. So I mean, yeah, I did get busted, but then I was like, okay, you know, sister code always first. Boys can always come and go. So it's been like that since.
That's very nice. Tell us about Chirag. You've always believed him to be old school.
Yes, he thinks
that's
I'm old school. The first card he ever gave me, so uske upar there was an audio cassette, wobbling like that, and it said, "You're old school but so cool." And then he wrote whatever he had to inside the card.
So sweet. How did you meet and how did it all happen?
Actually, we met each other many years before we actually started dating at a friend's birthday, and just coincidentally her building lift wasn't working, so we walked down 16 floors and I found this some guy singing Chaudhary ka Chand. And I'm like,
He was just trying to impress you.
ये कौन गा रहा है? मतलब हम तो सब इस एज ग्रुप के लोग हैं. I didn't think I met anybody who would be singing a ghazal at this hour.
And going down the steps.
Going down the steps.
That's very
So
unusual.
then I
That
walked.
that is something to get your attention.
Maybe,
Yes.
now that I think of it.
Yes.
So I walked down and I saw who it was, and that's when we said hi, hello to each other and became BPM friends. We didn't speak at the party, by the way.
Okay.
And then cut to 6 years later, he got in touch. Yeah, straight 6 years later.
So up until then, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, let's meet, and nothing happened. And then he just he wanted to narrate a script of his that needed some music, so he wanted to know kahan pe, kisse, kya baat karu. And my father is very strict. Now not. My father was very strict.
Leveled up.
Yeah. So anyway, we just started to talk, and I don't know, it was just so organic. It naturally just all fell in place. And
What did Dad say?
Dad, I told Dad. I mean, I was always very transparent. He's somebody who I'm closer to my dad than to even my mother because he's traveled with me since I
Yes.
was a kid.
I've met your dad.
Yes.
He's a lovely
Yes.
human being.
Yeah.
Yes.
So then I had to tell him because suddenly one name they were hearing at home again and again, and they're like, "What is the scene with this boy? If you're
And we used
serious,
to
then
gossip,
let's get
no,
you
a lot.
married." And I'm like, "Get you married? Arey, give me some time. I want to get to know him." He wanted to make his first feature film and then get married. You know, everybody has benchmarks.
yes.
But then that never happened. My father insisted that we get married about a year and a half from the day we started to date.
Okay.
And we don't know when we started to date. It was just like we
just
became best
happened.
friends. Yeah.
Now you two. Do you have anyone in your life that you can who can qualify as Jeevan Sathi?
Jeevan Sathi is so heavy. You say
I'm going
first.
backwards in my head. You know, I think the younger I was, I used to look at marriage, oh my god, that's something I'd love to do. And then the older I'm getting, I'm like just getting away from the concept a little bit. So I think when it has to happen, it'll come
I
naturally.
try to steer them back again and again
Yeah.
because I think it's beautiful.
You have such a beautiful
No, it is
example in your
beautiful,
family
I'm
of,
sure,
of
yeah.
a wonderful couple and a beautiful relationship. It's a lovely,
Yeah.
a lovely thing to sort of aspire towards.
Always,
For sure.
always.
Like I think when they're together and their chemistry is so real, and it's just something that you really want. You're just like, wow, 4.5 years of marriage, and you guys still can't keep your hands off each other. Like that's just
More than
really
that, I think
cute.
emotionally we just
And
really
emotionally,
like lift
yeah.
each other up.
How do
So-
they get along with him?
Oh, they love each other.
Yeah?
They love
I
each
think
other.
it's always been like since we've known him, he's been like the brother we never had, and he'll always give us, you know, the kind of gyan we love. Like he'll sit us down and talk us about subjects that we're not very comfortable, like this Jeevan Sathi topic. Like he loves just like asking us, checking up on our, how's your love life, what's happening, tell me.
Yeah.
You know, like it's just something that like we just open up with him.
What about the qualities that you're looking for in your significant
It's a
other?
long list.
I
that
think
you're looking for?
lots of things. I think sensitive, again, you know, something that we
Respectful.
both are respectful. I think somebody who's also family oriented, you know, because I'm very close to my family. So
Yeah.
somebody who is respectful,
Who understands
who
that it's
understands,
important,
yeah.
yeah.
Just I mean basic things, and again somebody who just like lets us do what we want to do, because somebody who's okay with us being like super ambitious,
And
because
somebody
we're
who
all
loves
very
traveling, like we like really take our travel, you know, also
Very
seriously, and has to be a foodie, and preferably
The list is
non-vegetarian.
growing.
Yeah. First it starts with, not really. I mean, just like all we really want is for them to understand our business. Sensitive.
It's not just business.
Foodie. Needs to travel.
needs to love music.
Also needs to be good looking, yeah.
Needs to love music.
Such good girls. We've
Needs
not
to be
even
good
said
looking also, na?
See, doesn't
And
make
it's
it to the
good
list if
looking.
it's good looking.
You missed out sense of humor. Because everyone always says,
Yeah.
he's got to have a sense of humor.
But we're not the funny
So,
one.
so we didn't say it. So, I'm okay if the other person's shy, because like I'm funny, so he can laugh at me.
There you
I'm
go.
okay with that.
See, I like that. Okay.
Yeah, I'm pretty funny actually.
That's about it.
I don't know if you can tell, but I'm funny.
Yeah, you are. I like you. You're funny.
Live, laugh. I just read laugh now.
So, is there anyone who plays matchmaker in their lives? Is there anyone who tries to set them up with, or is it you?
Each other.
Said them, yeah, they're pretty Atmanirbhar when it comes to that, I feel. But I don't think anybody else, friends do try,
Right.
but I don't think anybody would know what they want as much as they would know
They
themselves. Yeah.
So, have you done that? Have you set the other up with people?
I mean, she'll send me like a profile, like check this one out.
That is very
Check this one out
candid.
for me or check this one out for you?
No, if I'm sending her, it's for her only.
Check this one out for me stays with me.
Yes.
Okay,
You
yeah.
got it right. She's very territorial like that.
I'm territorial about the people I love. Like them.
Okay. Guys, now we're going to play a little bit of a game. Okay. It's a compatibility test. We're calling it the Takkar of the Kakkars.
Oh my god!
Okay.
I have to tell you
So
something.
excited.
Yes.
Every time that I've gone and performed, especially when I go and perform in slightly second tier towns or something, I know what my introduction is going to be. अब आपके सामने आने जा रही हैं जो भी वो बोलेंगे adjectives, जिनको कोई नहीं दे सकता है टक्कर, स्टेज पे आने जा रही है.
जिनकी आवाज में है शक्कर. They do that also.
सुन के खा जाएंगे चक्कर. Oh my God, these have been standard intros, but
Well, we're using it differently. Takkar
Yeah.
and Takkar.
This is the first game, yeah.
Yes.
I like it.
So I'm going to ask you some questions, and whoever you think is the answer to that question, point at that person.
okay, done.
Right? Who is most likely to cancel plans?
Yeah, actually, also.
Also.
All right. Who has lied to the parents most just to be safe from, like, hiding after the mess? You?
Yeah, I'd rather do this to myself.
like 2 fingers on your face.
But I'll tell you why. I'll tell you why that is.
Yeah.
Because Dad was very strict.
No, no, it was.
That's the whole catch point here.
Yeah.
Was.
Okay, was. So, theek hai na, the first gets it first, bears the
But he's
brunt.
always trusted us, trusted her younger sisters to know everything.
Yeah.
No,
Yeah.
no, no. She did all the mess ups.
Yeah.
You bear the fruits of it.
Yes. Who makes up first after a fight?
Yeah.
Both of them. I mean, actually,
Yeah,
Not
she's
you.
a snob.
Clearly not you.
I just
Clearly
go to
not
sleep.
Puku.
Yeah,
I
not
just go to
Puku.
sleep after a fight.
Yeah.
She's the hardest to deal with out of 3 of us.
Who gets into trouble or gets fooled trying to be more generous?
For all the
I
time,
think,
this
yeah,
always
this
been
us.
food for us.
Like
It's
this
our
way we are
bonding.
more similar. Yeah.
Okay, next question. Moving on. With whom do people confide the most?
Actually,
Wow, this is confusing.
It's okay.
I'm pointing at both of them. They're one identity for
Okay,
me.
they're one
like that.
identity.
Yes.
Okay.
Who is bad at taking criticism?
I don't know.
Okay, who's the most moody?
uh,
One who
right now.
the one who goes to
I wanna
sleep.
go.
Who can't be trusted with important things or documents?
oh, definitely.
Can I leave?
That was fun. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
There were some secrets revealed in that segment.
Lots of
And we know
fingers
who the
pointing.
moody, carefree one is out of the 3 of them. It's time for a break. When we come back, we'll ask them about an all-time confusion regarding their surname. Only on Oppo F17 Pro presents the Love, Laugh, Live show.
I was supposed to take them to Thailand.
Yeah.
अब
Oh my
होता ये है
god.
that we're about to leave for the airport and Dad picks out their passports and he opens them and he's like, oh my God, their passports expired last week.
Welcome back, everyone, to Oppo F17 Pro presents the Love, Laugh, Live show. We're here with the Kakkar clan, ready to touch some light moments in their life and share some laughs. Now, you 3 are here, but you forgot the 4th sister. Where's Neha Kakkar? That happens, right?
Everywhere,
So many
every
times.
time. Most of the times we travel in places that
Even airports, yeah.
आप 3 यहाँ हैं, नेहा जी हैं.
नहीं वो नहीं पूछते पहले वो आपको सिक्योरिटी चेक कर रहे हैं फिर आपका बोर्डिंग कार्ड देखेंगे फिर बोलेंगे पर आपकी तो एक छोटी बहन भी है मैंने कहा हाँ 2 हैं नहीं एक बड़ी है ना मैंने कहा नहीं अच्छा आप बड़े हो मैंने कहा हाँ मैं बड़ी हूँ पर आपकी वो जो छोटी बहन है आप तो बिल्कुल सेम नहीं लगती मैंने कहा नहीं हम तो आइडेंटिकल लगते हैं ऑलमोस्ट देन आई रियलाइज आई टॉकिंग अबाउट नेहा
I think it's just that we're all from Delhi and our surnames have different spellings, okay? So they are double K, we're single K.
Single
Yes.
K.
It's just like the Kapoors or Singhs or one of those things, no?
But there's so many Kakkars now, and because we all look like each other.
Everybody
You're
is
in
in
music,
music,
yeah.
yes.
Music
Yes.
and
For sure.
you have the same surname.
Yeah. Right.
Okay. Now tell me something. Growing up, was she really bossy?
No, yeah, I mean,
I'm nodding my head already because I know I
I think we were just scared of her, you know, and I think that's also because she's 8 to 9 years older than us. I think we were just scared, and I think we always spoke with a certain filter which has disappeared now.
Right.
But I think we were just scared of her, you know, we were just like, she's really old and she was like a second mom
Yeah.
at the
I
time.
was, yeah.
And then we grew up, and of course now we're all like the best of friends.
I think it took
but
us one girl's trip to actually go. I think it was one of our
yeah,
birthdays.
just break that wall, right?
Yeah.
Completely.
Lots of years ago.
Our 16th
And it was just the
birthday.
3 of you.
16th when we
Just
went to
the three of
Goa.
us.
And that trip itself was really hilarious because I was supposed to take them to Thailand.
Yeah.
अब
Oh my
होता ये है
god.
that we're about to leave for the airport and Dad picks out their passports and he opens them and he's like, oh my God, their passports expired last week. And they have thrown a fit like you cannot imagine. The
Oh my
ceiling
God,
stand has come
crying.
down. I mean, it's gone crazy. Like a tsunami hit that room. And we're all
Course correct. You had to
It was
fight a
sweet
fire
16.
and you had to take them somewhere.
somewhere. They didn't want to go anywhere. They didn't want to see. They didn't want to have anything to do with any one of us. at
I
that
would
point.
never react like that now. Come
Of
on.
course, of course. But you were 16.
Yeah.
That discount is given to any 16-year-old.
I'll go to the airport, it's expired, so we'll get a new one. Like, it's fine. Like, nothing.
Yeah.
And we were like, but we'll go speak to them. I'm sure it can be.
Yeah, tickets are booked, right?
Believe what they were hearing. They were all teary-eyed. But then next morning I said, listen, we can't go anywhere. Let's just go to Goa. So we booked everything, and and that was a trip that sort of changed a lot.
I think we had our first drink with her
Yeah.
and just like bonded and just spoke about things we never touched. So it was nice.
There's this story that we've heard about you, Prakriti, throwing up on stage.
Oh
my god,
Yes.
this is some next level.
Where have you got all this
research or
information
something.
from?
So I'll tell you, like I love the idea of being on stage. I love feeding on different energies, getting that attention, having the spotlight. But I always forget my dialogue, and I think it's probably one of those times that I must have thrown up and not.
She threw up the stage fright that day.
That was it. It all came out
Came
in
out.
One time.
Okay, so Akriti, at the age of 4, you were asked to sing a song in front of some of your parents, friends, and guests.
Oh my god.
Unbelievable.
Oh my god, I know.
Please share with us.
Okay, so my dad worked for a pharmaceutical company at that time, and his boss had come over, and like every parent would say to their child, oh beta poem sunao, oh beta गाना सुनाओ, और मेरी बेटी गाना गाती है. You know what I sang?
What?
जरा सी सावधानी जिंदगी भर आसानी. This was a contraceptive advertisement. I didn't know. Yeah, you didn't know this?
I know about you coloring a mango blue and all.
Yeah, that's another story. But I was just too confident. I said, my father, they gave me a mango to color in my school entrance exams, and I colored the mango blue. And they said, no, beta, your mango is blue. Mango is blue. I said, yeah, my father brings it. I have a blue mango at home. You don't know.
Full confidence. Okay, now Akriti, it's time to reveal about your managers, Pooja and Kanika. How are they doing?
See? What? I'm so lost.
I can't.
क्या हम पता लगा के सुनाते हैं?
Pooja and Kanika.
Who are Pooja and Kanika? Let them know.
I'll tell you. This is something that maybe you
We're
should also
catching
try
up
and-
like at lunch or something.
I don't know where all my phone number has traveled and how it's reached God knows who all. So I keep getting calls for, hello, madam, ये date available है क्या? इस दिन हो क्या? Free हो क्या? अच्छा कितने में book होगा? I'm like, क्या book कर रहे हो, boss?
Yeah.
Like it's weird, no? You don't want to answer these kind of
You're a
calls.
manager?
I become the manager. Hello? I'm sorry, this is Pooja. I'm gonna ask Akriti, she's in a dub right now. Can I please ask her to call you back?
I can never do that.
Wow.
That is pretty
Wow. Multi.
cool.
So yeah,
Nice.
Pooja, Kanika, very many names.
Yeah, Pooja's a very
So
manager.
anytime
name.
anyone calls you now, you know this. You can always fall back on
Yeah.
Pooja and Kanika.
Oh
Yeah,
my god,
perfect.
so all
Always
those
be
people
Pooja.
who might be watching this and
Yes, now they know. Now they
It
know.
clearly means you've done that a lot then.
Yeah.
I'm just surprised how you know all this
You
stuff.
know everything.
Unreal.
On that note, it's time for some more excitement with our Oppo F17 Pro Flaunt It Your Way segment. It's like a rapid fire round. I'm going to ask the girls some questions and give them a couple of options. They just need to tell us which answer best depicts the way they flaunt their style. So, are you ready? You? Okay. So, here goes. You're well known for your fashion statements, all of you. But if at a prestigious event you notice another actor, artist, singer wearing the same dress as yours, how will you react? A. Flaunt how the outfit looks sleekest on you. B. Quickly go home, change and flaunt your new look. C. Flaunt your cool by taking a selfie with them.
Third.
Definitely the third. And in fact, I've been in the same position. I made sure I went before her. So
You invited friends for dinner, you cooked a special recipe, but it didn't turn out to be that good. What will you do? Order food from outside, try and cook all over again, and flaunt your culinary skills, and C. Serve the same and flaunt it anyways.
order the food online.
No, B. Yeah, I've done
बेचारे
that.
भूखे.
नहीं, but वो कुछ उस time पे just makeshift quick little bites. But then I've done that.
Yeah, you have.
I've done that. Yeah.
मुझे करके दिखाना है.
Oh, she's a perfectionist like that.
Okay. If you're out with your family on a vacation to spend some quality time, but you have fans following you there too, asking for a selfie, what will you do? Wear your sports shoes and run, flaunting your fitness. That's A. B. Hide inside your resort. And C is flaunt your style and take a picture with your fans.
C.
Yeah, see.
Take a picture.
That's what you work
probably
for
with
now.
family.
Fourth question. Your fans and social media followers are pleading you to reveal your fitness secret in your next video on social media. I'm looking at you.
Fitness secret.
What will you do? Flaunt your fitness and let it be a secret? A. B. Share your fitness secret. C. You say you were born fit, so you sleep all day and do nothing.
C.
No, I mean, if
No,
they're
you don't
really
even answer it.
pleading me, then
You
I
don't
have
even
to do
answer.
it.
This one's not for you.
Okay,
This
fine.
one's
Because
not
you
for
just
you.
are going to say, this
What
is
you
what I
gonna
look
flaunt?
like.
Yeah, I
also
was
didn't
born
work
like
out in
this. I
lockdown,
wake
let's
up
face
like
Yeah,
it.
but like at least I'm more passionate about it
Yeah.
because I need
Sukriti,
to.
do you
She
it's
likes
a little bit
I
thoda
Yeah,
do
she
way
does,
more
she
than
does,
her.
she does.
Okay.
See, I need a personal trainer calling me and like, come, let's work out. I
Like,
need
yeah,
that.
you gotta do
motivation.
it. Somebody
I can't
with
do
a
it by
danda.
myself. I think it's really boring.
After a stressful day, what is the fastest way of charging yourself? A. You go for a swim. B. Indulge in yoga or meditation. C. Something else.
Sleep.
C. Something else.
For you, to something else only.
So I'm a little bit with B because I've just recently developed this whole sense of meditation and I'm just liking it, I guess, a little bit.
Yeah. Could be B for you and you.
It would be a little bit of B because if I do my riyaz, it's like meditation.
Yes. Yeah.
Chanting
Yes.
Om is like that only. And a lot of C. Now that C could have a lot of things. It could be cracking a new song, writing a thought down,
Right.
playing with audio.
Correct.
Just being with the husband because I don't get to do that very often.
Yes. So B and C. Well, thank you, girls. You really know how to flaunt your style. That was great fun. You guys can learn some tricks from the dashing Kakkar sisters and flaunt your style using the Oppo F17 Pro. It's time for a short break and to fast charge the Oppo F17 Pro. On the other side, we're going to ask Akriti about her pocket money days and the twins about making it big in their lives. Don't go anywhere.
Yeah, I think when it comes to confrontation, right? Like we three have different versions of it. So like if
We
we
like
had
to go and take a nap. That we have learned.
I like
That's
to
been
process
established
what's
by now.
happening and then
Listen,
I'm
on
gonna come
Halloween,
back.
once she became the sleepy girl. Like, that's her.
Hello and welcome back to Oppo F17 Pro presents the Love Laugh Lift Show. I'm Mandira Bedi and I'm here with Akriti, Sukriti and Prakriti Kakkar. And it's time for yet another refreshing segment with Kingfisher Radler, the adult soft drink with a lemony twist. Cheers. All right. Back to some questions. It is very evident seeing your chemistry and seeing the three of you together that you're very close. But is there anything that you disagree on? Is there anything that you disagree on as far as this unit is concerned? Is there anything that you disagree on?
Actually, I think we do. And when we make up for that disagreement or come on the same plane is what I really like.
Okay.
You know, I mean, we're meant to have disagreements.
What do you disagree on?
I think just as people, we're very different. You know, I
Choices?
think, yeah.
Just choices. It could be, sometimes I'd be like, Sukhu, this is too short, you can't wear it. I used to be that person.
Mommy?
Yeah.
Not even that so much. I think just generally things that we stand for, you know, just as people are very different from each other sometimes. So
Even
I think
between the two of you?
Yeah, I think when it comes to confrontation, right? Like we three have different versions of it. So like if
We
we
like
had
to go and take a nap. That we have learned.
I like
That's
to
been
process
established
what's
by now.
happening and then
Listen,
I'm
on
gonna come
Halloween,
back.
once she became the sleepy girl. Like, that's her.
I couldn't think of something
We
else.
dressed
I
up
would
like,
like, you know,
I'm a
my
sleepy girl, so she came in night suit.
I wore a night suit, you know, bathroom chappals and
She's a
proper
smart
eye mask.
Yes.
And I'm like, I'm a sleepy girl.
Right, good one.
Yeah, but I think, like I said, you know, I think we really agree and we agree to disagree. Like,
Yeah.
that's our
Yeah.
thing between us.
You two, how much do you think you benefited having an older sister in the
Never been
music
fond of
industry?
this conversation.
I think yeah, she always
You're gonna get very
overhears
awkward
it.
now.
Yeah.
But you know, we owe so much of everything that we know to her. Like, you know, even what it is like to have a body language on stage, because we've only seen that while growing up.
Yeah.
And I think, of course, you know, when you have an elder sister who's you know, she's doing music in and out of her day, every day, singing. And I remember growing up to that, and of course, mom's also a music teacher. So, you know, just to be around so much music, I think it's just truly our blessing. And of course, I don't think if, you know, Dee was not a singer, I don't think we'd be singers. We would attend her show and she would just be like, okay, now I'm going to call my sisters and they're going to sing a couple of songs. So, you know, that kind of experience is everything, because we didn't even know how to stand on a stage, and she used to make us, like 2 hours before the show, she would be like, I'm calling you up for this song, learn the lyrics.
Gosh, you're so lucky to have her,
Yeah,
you know.
for sure. Like,
Very, very, very. Yeah.
I've been lucky to have girls like this because
We're not gonna
I'm extremely proud of them.
Hmm.
I get so mad at them for so many things, but it's what I come home to, you know. I can't imagine doing any of this without them.
Hmm.
Or, you know, even on bad days, I just felt like I have so much to come back to. नहीं भी होगा तो क्या होगा, ये सब है ना.
ये दोनों
Yeah.
Very quickly, we'll rewind to the time when you used to get 500 rupees pocket money per month.
Yeah, in school.
Tell us how you did the math and what did you spend it on?
So, you know, we come from a very basic family. We were sent to the best schools. There was never a time that we needed something and it wasn't given to us because our parents would say, नहीं हो सकता, पैसे नहीं है. नहीं भी होते थे. They used to figure out ways of getting us the best of clothes, the best of hair clips, the things that we needed, cute stationery, boxes, everything.
MP3s.
MP3s. That actually happened much later. I was a cooler generation. They were the AC generation.
Yeah.
You know, so
I thought you meant like cooler.
No,
I was still the cooler generation. Yeah.
Don't remember your Delhi days.
They do.
तुम्हारे फिर AC आ गया. Same here.
They were born, so the AC was bought. उन्होंने 2 छोटे बच्चे आ रहे हैं, so we have to get the AC. Anyway, so we were up every month. There was a string type budget, and I knew that I didn't want any other thing from my parents. I was supposed to get a Barbie doll every time I got a A+ or something in school in my finals.
Yes.
But 500 rupees every month for whatever I wanted to buy. So I used to spend it on audio cassettes. And I have, I think, some, I don't know, like hundreds.
Crazy
of them.
amount.
I still have them. They're in my bed box. Also on my center table in my
fun fact,
in my
her
room.
center table is made out of cassettes and
It's
CDs.
audio
And it's
cassettes.
got like a glass on it, and you can see every CD,
Every cassette
from,
But
like,
But
the
that is
pop era.
vintage now.
Yeah,
That's
it's
vintage.
vintage,
Cassettes
yeah.
have become vintage because who looks at? I mean, I don't even. I
Even
can't remember what a
CDs,
cassette
yeah.
looks like.
Yeah, but it's what I spent my life doing.
course,
You know,
of
side A,
course.
side B, repeatedly ghissoing one song again and again. That's how we used to write down lyrics, remember them.
Now we're going to play a game called Kingfisher Radler I Have Never. We're going to juice up the show. I'm going to ask you a few questions and it's going to be statements. I have never something, something, something. And if you have, then basically you have to have a shot of Kingfisher Radler. So are you ready?
Yes.
First question. This is for all of you, yeah?
Yeah.
I have never stalked an ex-boyfriend on social media.
Okay.
Wow, you too.
Yeah.
Cheers.
It's fun to know how poorly they're doing, you know?
Next question. I have never pretended I was sick for attention.
No.
No? No. I have never gone to a strip club.
By
this
force
allowed?
taken one too.
Yeah. You've been?
Yeah, I have.
All right.
18th or 21st,
Listen, I think we have
21st
we've
birthday,
done
I
that
think.
together, no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
Okay. Well done. I have never stolen something from my sister's closet or purse.
first, no?
Last and final, since we have 3 glasses left. I have never gone 24 hours without showering.
Of course I have. Now I'm going to drink the whole thing.
Go for it.
Lockdown, remember?
Well done. Thank you for your honesty. That was so fun and so refreshing. I feel like I know you a whole lot better. Actually, through this interview, I've known you. Gotten to know you a whole lot
Super
better.
candid.
It's been so much fun.
And I'm sure your fans know you much better as well. We're almost at the end. We'll be back with our last but not the least segment after this short break with the Kakkar sisters only on Oppo F17 Pro presents the Love, Laugh, Live show. What is the most beautiful place that you have ever visited?
Oh,
That's a good answer.
what?
Welcome back, guys, to the last segment of this entertainment-packed episode of Oppo F17 Pro presents the Love, Laugh, Live show only on the Times Network. We're here with the Kakkar sisters, ready to play our last game. We have over here the Times Prime Wheel of Good Life. You've got to spin this wheel, and whichever category the arrow points to, I'll ask you questions from there. All three of you can answer from the same category.
Okay.
First thought that comes to mind. So I'm going to ask you to do the honors, spin the wheel, and I will ask you a question.
sit and
Faces
spin?
the camera.
Travel.
Travel. Okay. Now, favorite destination for a solo trip?
London.
Bali.
Spain.
Have you ever done solo trips?
Never.
With her,
They're
I would
solos
love
together.
They're solos together. Okay. What is the most beautiful place that you have ever visited?
Oh,
That's a good answer.
what is the most beautiful place?
Come on. What
I
comes
think
top of mind?
Annecy. It's a small village close to Geneva. It's on the border of France.
Beautiful. You?
I think for me it has to be Andorra.
Okay.
I think Amsterdam in winters.
Amsterdam in winters. Beautiful. Okay. Last question. Which place in Haryana would you take someone if someone is visiting there for the first time?
I'll take them to Gurgaon.
You'll take them to Gurgaon.
It's Haryana, no? I don't know where else.
Geography.
I'll take them.
Like, what was she talking about? What is she even talking about? I'll let it pass then. You did very well in this segment. Thank you for taking part in the game. We have a special gift for you from Times Prime.
Thank you.
It has over 15 hand-picked offers and subscriptions. So be it shopping, travel, fashion, entertainment, fitness or food, Times Prime has it all. It's the only membership you'll ever need.
Thank you very much.
And
Those are for us.
those are for you. That's right.
Thank you.
And we also have some gifts for you from our friends at Confluence. Thank you so much for being a part of this show.
Thank you very much.
Really, this show has been so fun to see your chemistry, your bonding as sisters. It's been a pleasure, and it's lovely
you.
talking to you. This episode has flown by for me because I love your energy, and this show is called the Love, Laugh, Live show. And that's
did all.
that's what you, all three of you, stand for.
Thank you
So
so
God
much.
bless you all, and may you continue to grow from strength to strength.
Thank you so
and
much.
I'm wishing you all the very best from the bottom of my
And we love you. We love you.
Absolutely.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Before we say goodbye, we're going to take a selfie with our Oppo F17 Pro. It has an ultra sleek design and its dual lens bokeh gives an amazing bokeh effect to pictures. So now you can take the perfect selfie portrait even with friends or sisters. So are you ready to flaunt?
Yes.
Let's do this. So that was it, people. Another week, another episode, more splendid guests. But here is the thing about us. We don't stop. So we'll be back with another episode, with another celebrity guest, and get you closer to them on Oppo F17 Pro presents the Love, Laugh, Live show, only on the Times Network. Until then, I'm Mandira Bedi. Bid you farewell.